Hey there! In this video, I will show you exactly how to delete a Facebook account permanently on a PC or laptop in 2023. First of all, open up the web browser. Once you get into your web browser, open up Facebook. Then click on your profile icon from the top right corner and tap on Settings and Privacy. Go into Settings and click to see More in Accounts Center. Then click on Personal Details from the left side dashboard and tap on Account Ownership and Control. Choose the Deactivation or Deletion option. Now select your Facebook account and choose the Permanently Delete Account option and tap to continue. If you delete the Facebook account, the pages and additional data will be deleted, so click on Continue. Select the reason as I no longer find Facebook useful, then tap on Continue. Click on Continue for more out of Facebook. Now click on Continue to delete your account permanently. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.